Welcome to Lotus Student Mentor channel. In this session, we are going to study how to use Google Colab or introduction to Google Colab. Go to Google, www.google.com. What I am going to display is that here how to from basics onwards. Alright. Yes, because already, yes, let us begin. Type it here. Google Colab, C-O-L-A-B. Here, press the button here, Google Colab. Alright, I have already signed it. Suppose I am going to sign out. I am going to show you here. If you are not signing out, it is very simple. How to use it for using Python programming and especially machine learning. This is what here it will be displayed as colabresearch.google.com. The screen will be displayed here. Alright, then what to do? Go to sign in to get connection, then it will be stored in your drive, data and all. Okay, now I am going to show you that. Just enter it. Then Google Colab is connected to with your email ID or Gmail ID. Then it will be shown like this. Alright. Then what to do? Press new notebook. Okay. It's loading takes place for a while. After that, new notebook. You can write directly here your Python coding. Yes, yeah, this is the platform. You can write print hello. Alright, then you have to use a string or string double quotes. I'm using double quotes. Wow. Okay, I will do one thing. Print hello. Alright, then how to execute the program? Press the button, this one, cell, run cell, or control enter also. Alright, connecting takes place. If internet is, yes, hello is printed here. This is the output. Now Python program can be executed in ideally integrated development and learning environment. The Python can be used for Jupyter also. Python can be used in Google Colab. The Google Colab no need to install, but one thing, your system should be connected to internet. Then only, because then it will be saved. All the data that will be saved here, file. You can download also here, download.py Python. Download ipynb. Download ip.ipynb is very suitable for that, because the multi-purpose is .ipynb. Download it. It will be downloaded. Yes, it is the downloading downloads. Or if you want to download py file, Python programming file also. Yes, keep already there on Python. Yes, no problem. Next here, untitled store. Now if you want to give it name, yes, double button, press the double 2 times, then there, otherwise you can type starting one, program 1 or program something you can write, or p1. Yes, then click it, then automatically double click. If you do it, it will be, or rename it. You go for renaming and all, no need right button, just double click, it will be renamed the notebook. Alright, you renamed it. Then you can save it automatically. Control S means it will be saved in your drive. If you want to save it, if you see the file button, no, you can do all experiments if you want to for learning. Open notebook will be opened. Upload notebook, yes. Renaming means you can rename it also. This is what rename, another option. Always file rename. The next, to move to trans, save a copy in drive is very important. If you press this, save a copy in drive, it will be saved in your Google Drive. When the email ID with which you entered, in that Google Drive it will be stored. And next one is that file, if you want to open notebook, that means I already saved. Control O or press this button, open notebook. This file already stored here. I stored p1 dot ip nyb. All the details which you are having stored, saved, it will be saved here. Just now I shared in previous video that graph. In the next video, graph ip.ipynb. All this, if you click here, automatically it will be stored here. Untitled 1, untitled so and so. Yes, if you want to delete, you can delete the option. Click here and delete here. And suppose IPY file that I want to show you, just open. It will be opened, that file. That's the graph. I made it a video. I'm going to make you. Yeah, I already made video in this. Yes, this one graph theory. It is already saved. Alright, that's why Google Colab is like online platform. It is connected to data will be stored in your ID, Gmail ID, which we are entering. Okay, it will be stored all the data. Not only in Google Colab, you can store it in GitHub also. This GitHub gist, GitHub dot, all the data will be. If you open the GitHub, sign in, so many people, you can store all your programs, your contribution to help somebody. All right, blah blah blah. All right, print also, you can print it here. You can do all the things, you can learn. I put no need to extract and the length, the video size and all for that. Yes, all right. Deselected deals, you can learn inside if you want to view. All right. Next, suppose very important thing. All right, one more thing is that one thing I would like to explain here. There are two things are there. One is plus code, another one is plus text. What is the plus code means? If you want to do another code, you want to type plus code, the cell will be open here. Okay, and here one buttons are there. You go to move cell down. Yes, move cell down below that program. If you want to move cell up, move cell up. All right, just introduction I'm giving to you so that you can do. After that, you can blow this Google Colab with your practice and all. All right. Then there are so many things are available here, features. Yes, if you want copy link, yeah, add a comment, control M. The next one is if you want to delete, you can delete this cell also, del cell. Yes, del cell will be deleted. If you want to add code, add code. Yeah, the text coming to plus, add a text to cell. Yes, if you want to text, you can use all these things. Okay, toggle heading, bold if you want. If you want it all size, or if you want move forward, farmer code, insert a link. Whatever you want, you can to write, insert emojis, like that. Just introduction. All right. If you want to delete all these things, you don't delete. The delete option is like a trash bin. You know very well. This is very tailor-made. It's like a word. All right. This one just introduction, simple introduction of the Google Colab, which is useful for doing, especially Python programming for you. Okay, Python program applications are there, machine learning also, natural language processing, NLP also, cybersecurity coding. Whatever all these applications coding, you can do it. The data will be stored in your drive itself, that email ID which you entered in the drive, it will be stored, and you can open it whenever you want. As I mentioned here, that's what here file, if you want to open it, you can open it. Yes, all the data will be here. This is what Google Drive data, as I told you. Yes, Google Drive, it is stored in the previous one. This is the GitHub data. I did not store anything. Yes, uploading data, if you want to upload, nothing is here. If you want examples, the examples are overview, markdown guide, charts in Colab, examples, etc. You can do it. You work, you can learn a lot. Especially, it is highly useful for the programming if you want to practice more data programs and all. All right. I hope you understood the introduction of Google Colab. It's very simple. People goes to runtime here. I tell you the runtime here, run all. If you want to run all means all the cells will be run. If you want to run before, okay, and restart the session. Okay, change runtime type. If you see change runtime type, there are two things are there. Here now CPU is running accelerator. If you want T4, that got tensor 4 GPU graphic processing unit V28. There are so many. This was a new elaborator. Previously nothing is like that. Now CPU is running. All right, Python 3. We want Python, yes, 3 only. If you want R programming also, all right. These are all things. Save. I made it already. All right. This is what just introduction about the Google Colab. All right. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Lotus Student Mentor channel. In this session, we're going to create a simple graph in graph theory using Python. What is a graph? A graph is very simple. Graph is a set of nodes and vertices. I'll explain it in detail in the coming videos. What is a node? Node is nothing but a workstation or some station. We'll make it as a circular, vertices and all. And edges, these edges means connection between the nodes. my main focus is that if you want to create a simple graph in Python programming, we need two things. We have to import networks and matplotlib. Now let us begin here. We have to install network and matplotlib. For that, what we have to do, pip install networks on matplotlib, then it will be installed. If you are using ideally, you have to install it. I will tell you one more thing. You can do directly also by using in Google Colab. It will be installed by default. All right, all libraries will be installed in Google Colab. I am going to display or work Python programming in Google Colab. Yes, here we have to write import networks as annex, import matplotlib, that is .pyplot as plot. It will be imported. All right. Why this networks? Networks importing library is highly useful to create and manage graphs, whereas matplotlib to visualize the graphs. For creating and managing networks, for visualizing, matplotlib is required. All right, library visualizing the graph. First step is that first g equal to nx.graph. It creates an empty graph. Okay. The next one is that we have to add nodes to the graph. That is g dot add underscore, that is node 1 adds a single node. If it is want to add 2, 3, 4, 5 number of nodes will be added. This is what we have to go for it. The next step is that to add the edges. If you want to add edges, g for graph dot add edge, that is 1, 2. Like that, add edge from 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5. These 1, 2, 3 all are nodes, node numbers. Okay, 1 to 2, that means add edge will be this, they take from the node 1 to node 2. Here, node 1 to node 3, node 2 to node 4, node 3 to node 5, node 4 to node 5. Node 5, it will be added. Then after that, we want to set figure size. What is the figure size? Is 5 by 5. And we have to draw the labels in different colors. Node color becomes light blue. If you want to blue or black or red, whatever one, you can keep it. And edge color is the gray. Okay, all right. We mentioned here. This is what edge color, node size. After edge color, we have to give node size, that is 2000, and font size is 15. If you want to font size, you can change the font size also. After that, plot show. Now this is what the program. There are 6 steps are there. What is the step 1? Let us go back. Step 1 is install necessary libraries. Yes, networks and matplotlib. Next, importing. What is the importing? We have to import networks and matplotlib, and we have to create a graph object. Step 4 is add nodes to the graph. Step 5 is add edges to connect nodes, and step 6 is visualize the graph. All right. The next one is the output. What is the output? The output will be visible like that. All right. 1, this is called node. 1 is the node, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 nodes are here. This 1 to 2 joined with edge. Okay. And 1, 2, 3 edges. These are all edges. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges are there. All right. I am going to demonstrate this graph programming in Google Colab. Yes, let us see. It's very simple to make it understand in Google Colab. I will explain it and give brief description about Google Colab and all. These are Google Colab. I'll make one video also for you. What is introduction to Google Colab for doing the graphs in Python programming. All right. As I mentioned, these are the step 1, that is the gx, that is nx.graph. Step 2, add nodes. Step 3, add edges. Step 4, draw and visualize the graph. Now, what is the output here? The output, if you want to show you, just this button, if you press it, or run cell, control enter, if you go for it, the program, yes, is the running now. Yes. The output of the program is this one. This is the output. If you type number of outputs, this is the output of the graph. All right. Again, 1, 2, 3. The shape comes. Again, if you give that, if you press again one more, again run. This is the run button. That is run cell or control enter. If you do, short form, then it comes a different shape of output. This is also correct graph. Now you understand? This is another graph. Now if you again run, what will happen? You see the number of shapes can be, that means the graph can be in different shapes. That's what, it's not like single answer it should be, because understand, now it becomes, you see how it becomes 1 2 3 4 5, but data follows. Let us we'll play with graphs Python. Now I mentioned here in this programming, you understand, I gave more details. All right, 1 2 1 3 2 4 3 5 and all. You can add number of edges 7, but I did not add any edges. I gave number of nodes. Yes, Control S, saving 1 2 3 4 5. Now here 7, no, I gave 7 edges, 7 nodes. Edges are remain same. Here you see 1 2 2 edge node 1 2 2 1 3 2 4 3 5 4 5 1 6 2 6 5 6, but there is no edge to 7. Let us see. I am going to demonstrate. Run the cell. If you run the cell, you see that 7th node becomes isolated. It won't be connected anywhere. Yes, not at all connected. Yes, where it is 7th node? The 7th node is very far. That 7th node is not connected to anything. That 7th node is known as what? Null. It is known as the null graph. It is the what? Null graph is. Alright, in this manner you can understand many things. I hope you understood the concept of the graph algorithm. Thank you for watching.